Here in Taytay, Rizal, guys and gals. Hi there! Good afternoon to each everyone. I'm about to sell again my empty boxes. Hi! So, these are my boxes. Ay kuya, ano ha? Yakapin mo kasi baka ano.
Lakyan.
I've got all this past few days. In my neighborhood, Kuya Lester and Ate Salve in Sari-Sari store. Hold on. And on the street where I am walking everywhere. So where are you na? Ano na to? Pakipag ano no? Ako dahil muna ako. Hold on. Asan ang taga-ano nyo? Hold on guys.